Planning to book your first cruise? Feeling a tad overwhelmed by the numerous options and unsure where to start? You're in the right place. Cruising is a thrilling way to explore the globe. It's like a floating city offering you comfort, convenience, and a plethora of onboard activities. It's not just about the destinations, but the journey itself. The anticipation, the excitement, the adventure. It's a unique way to see the world. So if you're ready to embark on a sea-bound adventure, here are some practical tips to guide you. First things first, choosing the right cruise. It's crucial to consider your travel style and preferences. Are you seeking a tranquil getaway or a vibrant action-packed adventure? A luxury liner or a cozy intimate yacht? The answer to these questions will help guide you to the perfect cruise. Now let's delve into some specifics. Destination is key. Do you dream of the Caribbean's turquoise waters or the historic cities of Europe? The length of the cruise is another significant factor. From quick weekend jaunts to month-long voyages, there's a suitable cruise length for every traveler. Then consider the size and type of the ship. Megaships offer a plethora of amenities, while smaller vessels provide a more personalized experience. Lastly, pay attention to onboard amenities. From gourmet dining to enriching seminars, each ship offers a unique set of attractions. Before making a final decision, it's essential to read reviews and research thoroughly. Remember, the right cruise can make all the difference to your holiday, so take your time with this step. Next, let's talk about budgeting for your cruise. It's important to understand what's included in your fare and what's not. Often the upfront cost covers your accommodation, meals in main dining areas, and basic entertainment. But remember, there's more to consider. For instance, gratuities, though optional, are a customary way to show appreciation for the cruise service. These can add up, so account for them in your budget. Then there's the allure of shore excursions. These adventures can range from city tours to snorkeling trips, and while enticing, they're seldom part of your fare. Specialty dining, another extra, offers a gastronomic delight beyond the standard fare at an added cost. And let's not forget onboard activities like spa treatments or fitness classes. These can also carry an additional charge. To avoid overspending, it's wise to set a daily budget and stick to it. Being aware of these potential extra costs will help you avoid any unpleasant surprises. Finally, let's discuss how to prepare for your cruise. This includes packing, checking in online, and arriving at the port on time. Packing for a cruise is an art in itself. You'll want to consider the destination's climate, the activities you plan to engage in, and the cruise's dress codes. A tropical cruise may require swimwear and sunscreen, while an Alaskan cruise will need warm clothing. Don't forget formal wear for those glamorous evening dinners. Checking in online before your cruise is another savvy move. This allows you to skip the long queues at the port, saving you precious time. You can also pre-book services and activities, ensuring you get the most out of your cruise. Arriving at the port early is crucial. It gives you a buffer against unexpected delays and lets you start your vacation in a relaxed manner. Remember, preparation is key to a stress-free and enjoyable cruising experience. So there you have it, a beginner's guide to booking your first cruise. We've navigated the waters of selecting the perfect cruise just for you. We've explored how to budget wisely and make your money sail further. And we've charted the course for your preparations, ensuring you're decked out for the voyage ahead. With these tips, you're now ready to book your first cruise. Bon voyage!